Hello, in this video we're going to examine some of the important properties of summation notation. So here we have a table with observations, 1, 2, and 3. These observations, they could be people, they could be firms, they could be states, cities, countries, for example, and then we have some variable x. So here's our summation notation. Here we're going to sum some variable x, starting with observation 1 through observation n. Then that can be written like this on the right hand side. So we take the value for variable x from observation 1, add that to the value of variable x for observation 2, all the way through to the nth observation. So applying this summation operator to our table here, we're going to sum the values of x starting with observation 1 through the third observation, and we would get 15. Another important property of summation notation is the following. K is going to be a constant. So for example, we have 5 observations and the constant is 2. If we're going to add up that constant across 5 observations, we'd get 5 times 2 or 10. Let's do another example. So here we have our summation operator, and here we have the constant times the variable x. We can take this k and move it out in front of the summation operator. And we could get something like this on the right hand side. So using our table here, we have 2 times x. Okay, so we're going to sum 2 times x from observation 1 through 3. We can bring the 2 out in front, and this would just simplify down to 30. Another example, here we have more than one variable, variable x and variable y. The left-hand side can be decomposed into the following. So using our table as an example, we would get 35. Another example, we want to sum some constant a plus some parameter b times x, and this will break down to what we have on the right hand side. So applying that to our table, we're going to let a equal 5 and b equals 2. So this 3 times 5 is just n times a, where n is 3 and a is 5. And then following the rest of the summation here, we're going to get 45. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.